Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my first layout project for the Create That Studio. So this is a lovely retreat house, crop house, store in Louisiana. So if you're looking to get a get together for you and your crafty friends, check it out. Me and my crafty friends are going to be looking for it. So we're going to use the paper pad today. Way too much. We're going to pull, and this is this is actually in the shop right now. So if you've been trying to get your hands on the Prima Spring Farmhouse collection, head on over. So we're going to use this as our background. I'm not going to use this today because it's just too pretty for what I'm thinking of. So let's see. We've got that. I have tons. Let's pull this. That one. It's very cream based. You guys, I am in love. We'll use that side as a little bit of a border so for the contrast. Let's pull the animals because we've got pictures in there. So we've got these right there. Okay, so the photos we're going to be doing today of when me and my gal pals went to cropping retreat. And this, I don't remember what their names were. I don't remember. I just did my nails and I'm not happy with them. So anyway, there were 2 donkeys and we were feeding the donkeys. So this is Allie. You guys will know her. She is on the Simple Stories design team. This is Jamie and this is Stephanie, and they are both on the Create That Studio design team. So check them all out. All right. So first things are first. I am a little late getting this up. It was supposed to post a few days ago, but that was my schedule. And I was gone to a crop with Jamie, so I was a little late to the party. Okay, so we're gonna take this to 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. And also Jamie's mom Jean was there, who is also on the design team. All right, I'm kind of discombobulated. I have not been in my craft room for over a week. It's a little sad for me. Okay. So we're going to get this stuff. I don't know why I tear them in half. I just seem to always do that. And I'm cutting off those branding strips. All right. So, I do have an unboxing of this entire collection that I was sent to play with. Alright, so I do know that on the For Real, I'm going to do this. I just thought that would be fun. So, I'm just going to kind of sit right in there. And there's a little grid pattern that if I had better eyes, I would be able to use. Normally I gut, but you get 4 sheets of each one of these. So I think we're going to be okay. So let's just kind of, people are outside cutting grass. My husband will be up there shortly. So say we've got that, and I think that's just really cool. And we're just gonna, I don't know why, but I feel like we need to do this. And actually what I should have done beforehand is scuff the edges, so I'm gonna scuff the edges of that. I can do it while it's on there, but I am just bending it up because why not? So I'm working, today is July 20th. I'll be working all weekend to get this cut up, to get everything cut up, get all of July's, I only have a few more July D-Team items that need to be completed, and then I'm going to try my best to get most of August done as well, because as some of you may know, I will be traveling overseas for work in August. So I was supposed to go to North Dakota on a crop vacation with my girls. I want to thank Laura for go ahead and buying my way into that. She bought my spot, so I wasn't out the money, which my company would have reimbursed me, but now I don't have to ask, because I always feel weird about asking that stuff, and I don't know why, but you know. So I'm going to miss them, but I'm super excited for the opportunities that are going to be coming from this trip. And just to be able to see Germany, I've always wanted to go. So, people say it's a free trip. It's not, because I'm working. So, I'm going to just see how you can just go in. And if you're real careful, you can just scuff it while it's stuck down. Just to give it a little bit more interest. So the messier the better, right? Also kind of think that's all right. Since there's gold, I'm definitely going to do some gold splatters. All right, so what do we want to do? Because I think I'm going to do strip of that. So we got that. And then let's do 3.5. I think it's a fun little strip there, and then I am going to go 11 1/4. Let's cut it off this side so I don't cut any more words. I know that's weird, but it's who I am. Tomorrow's the hub's birthday, and he's going golfing, so he's super excited about that. And then let's do 4.5 strip out of this one, also taking it down to 11 1/4. Okay. These on the back of each of those. So we're gonna have kind of like a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And then I'm gonna get these somehow on there, but I'm going to scuff both of these up, attach them to that, and I'll be right back. I promise my dogs might start barking. All right, so what I did is I have one of these brown, it's play color too, I have no idea, it's Tombow, there you go. Woo-hoo. And as you see, I scuffed up, but I did outline that, and I took those 2 strips and made them into banners going opposite ways. I used the back side of this paper, which was just like the cut aparts, but you can't really tell. I think it's really cool. So it's kind of, and I added my photos, but this one right here had no other place. And outside of my blood family, my husband and son, well, I guess my husband's not my blood family, but you know what I mean. These girls, I would rather be no other place. Like, they have my heart. Jamie, I call her my bestie from the northern Midwesty, because they're from Wisconsin. So I did take some other things from my stash and put on some of these fun little mixed media looking rub-ons. I do have the butterflies. I took this Farm Fresh and stuck it on the photo. I love to stick things on photos. I don't know where that comes from in my life, but I do. What does it say? Such a Beautiful Life. I feel like I would have put that down there. But you guys, this collection is so cool. And if you have any kind of like outdoorsy, it's just a very elegant outdoorsy collection, and you have got to pick it up. Head to the store. Why am I still talking about it? All right. I know this is like my little Frankenstein bits in here, you guys. They're just fun. This is my unfun foam because I'm a tard and I didn't order the right stuff. Very sad about that. Alright, so we got our fun foam. We're going to pop some butterflies up. Let's see. Probably needed more foam, but it's going to be okay. It all works out in the end. So I've got my 3 butterflies, and I always use liquid adhesive because sometimes my ATG tape does not hold. Okay. So let's put this guy right here. Let's take this one and put this one up here, and then this guy, obviously, he's just gonna hang out right about there. So I've got the Scuffy. I did grab this from my stash that I want to add on. Somewhere I have some, it's a gem picker. And we are just going to add right over here. And I did cut that mushroom little cluster in half and just made it as a little tucky. So we're going to put them there. Let's go there. Let's put one down here because it's got to be odd, all right? So we're just going to add that on. And that's really going to do it. So you'll see all of this fun stuff. I want to add both. Like, so, come on. Why is everything so hard? So we'll go big with these. It's a chore for me sometimes. And then we'll go, well, that didn't work. I swear I know what I'm doing. Maybe. She says hesitantly. So yeah, we are planning on trying to get down to this crop house, which I am super excited about because anytime I get to spend with my girls, it makes me very, very happy. I mean, I love my family. Okay. There we go. I usually have to use the edge of my desk. I was just trying to stay in the screen for you, but that just seemed to be like more of a pain than not. So, I'm just using, I got way too much glue for these guys, but it'll dry clear, so it'll be fine. You won't even see it. They're all sticking together, and these are just half pearls. You can pick them up in the shop, not even that big of a deal. See? Just trying to flip them over. They always want to go on the wrong end. Side, something. They want to do something. Oh my goodness, it's gone. I've lost it. It's okay. That was like a for the love of Pete moment, you guys. All right, and then we just need some mediums. Maybe in here somewhere there'll be one turned right. this guy down here, and then we just need to grab 2 large ones out of here, which you would think would be relatively easy, but have you met me? Nothing I do is ever easy. I mean, it is, it's just so hard sometimes for me personally. All right. Holy. And I just have these in these little bitty cases because it's just easier for me because I'm like way organized. All right. So that is going to do it for today. Head to the shop if you're in the South. Book the Crop House and let me know. Take some pictures. Share the love. But this is such a beautiful collection that you're just going to have to go ahead and check that out for yourself, right? Let's get this straight. We'll take some pictures, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.